Dash.
You say it.
All day boring.
What else have you done today?
I don't know.
What have you eaten?
Mm.
Could you possibly put any more in your mouth?
No?
No? Was that a nice cake? Would you like your hands wiped? What's today been?
What's the day, Mama?
What's today been?
What's the day been?
It's Friday today. What have we done today? What are you saying?
All day boring. All day boring. All
Right.
day boring.
Are you ready to go to bed now?
Uh-oh.
Okay. Well, wipe your fingers in your mouth, in your ears.
No. I'm set my dose.
That's funny.
I need to drink my juice too.
Drink your juice.
Do you think you should wipe your mouth a little bit too?
The rest.
Don't forget your ear rolls.
I just wiped it and then wiped the chocolate cake all back over it. Oh, you're funny. Come here. Drink your juice. Like you put chocolate in your elbow.
It's just you.
What were you saying? I like that the other bit. Did you say something about shoes?
No. I didn't say you.
You want to drink your juice?
No.
You drink your juice? Go and drink it nicely.
Don't have to drink it all in one go. Right, are you going to say night, Daddy? Are you going to say night, Mummy?
Are you going to drink all of that?
Yeah.
No, because then you won't need milk. Drink loads of juice and you won't be able to drink loads of milk. Come on. You're being silly.
Ow.
Yeah. That wasn't very nice.
Yeah.
No.
Shag it.
Yeah, chocolate everywhere.
Wake me up.
Pardon?
Wake me up.
You've got chocolate on your nose.
You're gonna get those two spots.
2 bits of chocolate.
Don't get those.
No, I'll hoover those up tomorrow.
And that.
And that.
And that.
And that.
And you have all those. I'm big boy now.
You're a big boy now, are you?
I go hoover that.
You're going to hoover them tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, I like that idea.
Are you ready for bed?
Yeah.
Good night, Mummy.
Good boy. You say night night, Daddy.
Night night. I go with Daddy.
Is Daddy taking you to bed? Okay. Wait.
Get me down.
No, you're staying there all night.
You're sleeping in my chair. I think you should.
No.
Yeah.
I'll sleep in my bed.
You would sleep in your bed.
Shall we go and do your milk then?